What's up, YouTube? I'm changing my def tank. Gotta take the pump out first. A little tight in that area. Gotta take the zip ties off. Got the zip ties. Hit that like and subscribe button. Got the def heater. It's a little chilly out. Glad it's not snowing. I'm gonna get them fixed. Fix this thing before it starts snowing. Take that off. I'm using an 8mm socket. They're a little rusty on there. 7 years old. Make sure you got your PB blaster ready. And yes, the answer is no. I'm not a mechanic. I learned from the School of Hard Knocks. Google. Take this tank out, you gotta take the whole assembly out, the bracket, as in a whole. That make life way easier if you take the whole thing out instead of just trying to take the front face off. Make sure y'all have a jack to jack the tank up when y'all taking it off. And make sure you drain the def fluid out of it, because that thing can get heavy. If you guys see my butt, excuse me. Couldn't pull my trousers up.
What's your...
This could be a pretty tough job. I recommend having an extra set of hands. I'm taking off the after treatment control module, the ACM. You gotta take that off as well. In the book it says take the wires off. I just take the 4 bolts off of them to make life much easier. Got the tank off. Now I gotta grind the bolts off on the face. This guy is being nosy. No help. I had to grind the bolts off on the face because they were rusted on there. I know you never know when you need it. Looks like I got the bolts off. Now I'm trying to bend the face of it back so I can slide the tank off. You got four screws on each side you gotta loosen. That screws into the tank itself. There you go. There you go. PB blaster. This thing was rusty. I got the tank off, the old one, now with the old, then with the new. It was cracked at the bottom. There's the new one. See that? I'm checking, making sure it match. It matches. There she go, sitting in there pretty. Now I gotta loosen the back. It has 4 sides. It has a front face, a back bracket, and two on the side. You could take all of them off, or you could just do it how I did it, make things quicker. Or you could just spend $700 for a whole new assembly. That question. Now I'm putting the face back on there, putting the bolts back. It's kind of tough because I had to bend it. Getting kind of stubborn now, like she don't want to get on there, but I get her on there. There you go. Gotta put some elbow in it, put some back into it. Now I got her on there, putting the sending unit in. Yeah, you're gonna have to slide the sending unit out. It wasn't too hard to put the sending unit in and taking it out. Just make sure you got everything unattached. Got the sending unit in, now I gotta clamp it in, clamp her down, slide her in there, using my jack. There you go.